Have you ever bought a trendy lipstick, put it on, and realized you looked tired or even sick? Or maybe you bought a beautiful pastel sweater, but it just made your face look washed out. There is a reason for that, and in Seoul, we have the scientific answer. It is called personal color analysis, and it is absolute magic. Welcome back to the channel. I am your local guide to the real Seoul. Today, we are diving deep into the #1 bucket list. Item 4 K-beauty lovers visiting Korea. You have seen it on Instagram and TikTok. People getting draped in endless colorful fabrics, suddenly finding that glowing look. But is it just a hype, or is it a life-changing investment? And most importantly, how much does it actually cost in 2026? Let's break it down. First, what exactly is it? Personal color analysis isn't just about picking your favorite color. It is about finding the specific hues that harmonize with your natural skin tone, eye color, and hair color. In Korea, we categorize this into the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And then we go deeper into warm tones and cool tones. When you sit in that chair, the consultant will drape dozens of fabric swatches under your chin. You will literally see your dark circles disappear and your jawline sharpen, just by changing the color of the fabric. It is wild. Now let's talk money. This is what you really want to know. According to the latest data from my blog, prices in Seoul vary wildly, depending on the location and the experience of the consultant. Generally, you can find 3 tiers. First is the basic tier. This is often found in university areas like Hongdae. It costs around $50 to $80. It is quick, maybe 40 minutes, and focuses just on the draping. It is great for students or budget travelers. Next is the standard tier. This is the most popular. Expect to pay between $100 to $150. Here, you get the draping plus a pouch analysis, where they check your current makeup bag and often a detailed report card of your best colors. Finally, there is the premium tier. This is usually in Gangnam or Cheongdam. We are talking $200 and up. These sessions can last 2 hours and might include full makeup application, hair, color consulting, and even body type analysis. So, is the expensive one worth it? If you are a fashion professional or getting married, yes. But for most travelers, the standard tier offers amazing value. Here is a massive tip for my international friends. Language is money. If you need a consultant who speaks fluent English, the price often goes up or the booking slots are extremely limited. I highly recommend booking at least 2 months in advance. Yes, 2 months. The best English-speaking spots get fully booked by savvy tourists very quickly. Also, preparation is key. Do not, I repeat, do not wear makeup to your appointment. You need to go barefaced. Color contact lenses are a no-no too. They need to see your natural state to give you an accurate diagnosis. Also, bring your current makeup pouch. They will throw out the products that don't match you and recommend K-beauty items that do. It is heartbreaking but necessary. So, is personal color analysis worth your precious travel time in Seoul? Absolutely. It is not just about vanity. It is about confidence. Knowing your colors saves you money for the rest of your life, because you stop buying clothes that don't suit you. You will shop smarter in Myeongdong and Hongdae afterwards. If you want more details on the specific shops and booking links, check the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic Seoul travel tips. See you in the next video.